Suicidal tendencies that creep up in my coffin. I do what I do, no talking. Can't you see the reaper? You go crazy, you go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will teach you how to install Paru Ouch AUR helper. This will work the same as Yay. How to install it? Let's install Git. Now type ls to see our folder, clone the git address, avar.archlinux.org/paru-bin, enter, ls cloning into paru-bin, change mode to make read, write and execute to everyone, the folder Paru bin, good. Now let's go into the folder ls. Now type the command make pkg -si, enter, and it is building our package, our AUR helper. Proceed with the installation and it is done. This AUR helper will make us able to search for those packages that are only available in the AUR and are not available in the standard Arch Linux. For example, let's search among the standard Arch repositories this application free download manager. Target not found, but if we search for it using Paru, it will find our application. I show another time. Pacman search doesn't find nothing. Paru has various commands, for example, -sy to synchronize all the AUR repositories, syu to upgrade the packages that has been installed with Paru, SS, capital S and standard S to search among Paru packages, and simple capital S to install a package from Paru database, and Paru -r to remove packages. To remove packages installed with Paru. And now you know how to use another AUR helper that will work the same as Yay, just with a different name, Paru. See you later, guys.